So it was a peaceful going.
Yeah, call to glory.
Yes.
Now with gratitude
to God.
To God for a life
well spent.
We announce to you the passing on to glory of who survived by
children and grandchildren and great grandchildren and adopted children and adopted great grandchildren.
Oh no, yeah.
You understand? So it was a celebration of the family. I saw everybody who I never see in a long time, both home and abroad. You know, it was an amazing weekend for me, I must confess.
Mama, travel well.
Nabio.
Yes,
travel well. She didn't want to play now. They look me say,
She feel there now they look you say, how much day you go? How much day? Now me they play like this.
Anyway. All right, for those of you where your parents still there, where our parents still there, may God keep them for us.
All right, so we get one video for now. This particular video now it concern rat matter. You know, people they swallow rats. It go shock you, you know, based on the last sentence.
The kind of things where we they show for this show. Ogbalo, you sure say we will.
It's a show for the show now.
You sure say this thing no go here. One day we no go they go just show us now. Us go they swallow.
No, we they reveal things. Now they reveal the world to the world. You know, they not to know what's in the happen, but they reveal the world to the world. All right, so we'll see this video. I know now I'll shock upon it. Now I'll go shock upon it. Watch it.
No, I can't. This is just, I just want to tell you that you have just ruined me, okay? You have destroyed my brain. Everything concerning my thinking cell, you have just killed it. I just want to tell you that this video has finished me. It's over. It's over. I'm done. No.
Jeff!
What is this?
Jeff!
What's this?
I don't know, so let's say, I know say this Jeff of a boy, of a guy.
If you not see him,
see, you know, say recently he does that one kind of mumu behavior. You know, they do hip hop. He they wear glasses now.
Inside darkness.
Inside darkness. You just take the type for system. Then that glass where they wear. Now you go find this video.
Because which kind of thing be this?
What kind of a video is this one?
If you want to destroy your mitochondria, your esophagus that is in the side of your brain, why you want to join our own and destroy? What's wrong with you?
Oh, you Jeff.
Yandi.
Oh, you Jeff.
Meanwhile, this your t-shirt make you understand? You just day. Understand? Wow. August. Give us Yandi real quick. Oh wow. Fresh boy. Hello. Hey!
Back, Jerry. So, what will they continue with?
They come back.
Where they come back? Come read your story.
No, but I want to do something.
What do you want to do?
I want to go and bring it for you.
No, bring anything. Read your gist.
Okay. So one United Kingdom company, that's a UK company, he have talked now that trees, no need to they cut trees. No need to they cut trees, they throw away and for side. You understand? No need to they cut trees, they throw away and for side. He don't talk now and say, it better make you they mold trees so that they grow in the shape and form where you want. So what they try to talk, they say, as me and you they talk now, it gets farmland, they say, the trees they grow in shape of furniture.
Tree they grow in
shape of furniture. Yes. Because in thing can say, instead of to the cut tree, refine them. The process, you go join this one to form table, join this one to form chair. Why don't you just grow the trees in the shape that you want? So from the settler, from the small something, they go begin grow from the small something, they go begin throw the trees. They go begin train them. So they go begin carve them to form what they want. You know, see?
Wow.
Yes. Because from small, they don't shape the trees to what they want. I say, people brain they work. Oh, you understand? This one now, it go save you the stress of you understand, of cutting down trees, destroying the full-grown body of the trees and all those things. Them that's about it, really. That's about it. So if money no they grow on tree, at least furnitures they grow on tree. Furnitures.
They grow on top tree.
Yes, that is it.
Anyway.
It's amazing. It's amazing. I'm in awe. of this thing.
Which all are you in?
No, I mean all of this thing. Because, do you know how many stress this thing will save people? It will save them from the stress of production of all these furnitures. Because you can easily just harvest them as you want them to be.
How they think they do that to the furniture?
That's what I'm telling you. Saying that from small, the guy, they wrap them. See, first of all, make I tell you, he first come up with the idea of doing this one. When you remember one of his mama plantation where they grow like crown.
Okay.
You can say, okay, it actually is possible for you to carve these things into the shape you want from when them be stapler, from when they're small, from when them be scrabble. You understand? You feel carve them, and then they grow in that shape. So if you know how they come out weed for plant body. Yeah. You they come out them according to that shape.
Okay.
So if they grow, if not chair you carve them from small, they grow in form of chair. So when time don't reach, you go just harvest the trees exactly the shape where you want them to be.
Well, on our creativity, last.
Tell you.
On our creativity. Anyway, it don't do. Me now, code they catch me. Code they catch me, so I say make I just.
Okay, you don't know before.
No, code they catch me. You
don't know say the code where they say yeah. You don't know before. Last one or
I see you as you wear your own now, okay. So I don't go change now. For those of now.
No, you want fine, but you know say that shirt's fine.
I want to say man, me, you know, I'm just I got it good, you know, I got it bad, man. You know, I just but
you know work.
When otutumumi, oh you not tomorrow. This Hamatan plus the AC inside this place, not be joke. All right? Yeah. As we no great drink some kind things, no great some kind things, maybe we cover ourselves upon
to avoid some kind things.
All right, so Walmart heiress, Alice Walton, now be the richest woman for the whole world. Alice Walton, the richest woman for the whole world like this. Alice Walton. Well, because this story what I want to talk now, we are the talk like this. Na challenge for the whole world. Especially women the way they for Bodo, Nigeria, so where we did. They say she gets a net worth of $33.2 billion. Alice Walton not just be the wealthiest woman inside the world, but at least she's among 50th richest people on earth. And plenty gist inside the whole thing. But I beg, I don't get power to read all this there. Waiting you don't take a life to do. But my own be say, she be 66 years old. Most person old like that before you enter this kind of award. You
know, the funny thing, we say she became the president of an arts gallery or something like that right from the age of when she was 10.
Yeah, because she can't gather.
Yes, because she loves to collect artwork. In fact, people where they work for the company where Papa they talk say she's been insensitive to the Walmart because she spends most of her time collecting artwork before she can open a $50 million worth gallery that is worth about 500 million. I tell you, because of all the collections where she gets. So the thing be say, despite the money where she gets,
she first come from house where money day.
Yes.
So now that one me at the enter first.
Yes.
Because she now they can't expect say she go follow all the Walmart move and everything. But you know, based on say her papa don't already get money down. Yeah. She not follow that move. She still follow what in her mind won't do.
And made more money.
So she can't make more money from that one at the end of the whole thing. So parents, even as they talk, say, leave inheritance for children, very, very important. Because she originally first, now Walmart heiress. Now me say, the
percentage where she
gets for Walmart, bim, now bim.
No be she and her two brothers.
Oh, ja, now bim. But last, to the children too, follow your dream and your passion. You understand? That was very, very important. You know, past like that. Her name is Alice Walton. So in case they ask you tomorrow, who will be the richest woman in the world? Her name is Alice Walton, 66 years old woman. All right? So, now don't hear that gist now. Thank you very much. As cold, continue to catch me.
All right, we go just take one small break. When we come back, we'll give you the second half of the gist that we get for you today. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, still PADI. In case you just tune into your TV, we'll come back.
They arrest this guy, they come put for inside Kiri prison. One I forget. The guy go enter, come saving guy.
Go come who be Michael Scofield for prison?
Scofield na ground that they dig now. This one they come up. They climb the fence.
They climb but they do acrobatic. This one go twerk on top wall.
No, but that move, when it turn upside down, it shocked me.
You know, Sam, the thing do me like the more you see, the less you understand. Now, wow.
Anyway, people are their wondrous things what they do for this world now.
All right, real quick, back to Diane. TY Bello, you know, say she don't turn photographer.
Yeah.
She did snap some kind awesome pictures.
The land is green, is green.
With her beautiful twins.
Yes. And her plenty hair.
And her plenty hair. So TY Bello was taking a picture, and then this girl where they sell bread for the Agege area, one Agege bread seller, she they passed, maybe say for Agege area, I'm sorry, Agege bread seller. Do you know those Agege bread where they put butter?
Bread Agege!
Yes.
Bread Agege!
Those bread, they make sense.
Oh, no. That's how they say, the girl they say, no chop Agege bread again.
Yeah.
If you see Vex. If you see Vex for Lagos.
The thing they hold belly.
They say, they kill. We go die.
That's Agege bread.
Let it kill us.
No, nothing work for purging person.
Oh, no, for purge. If you dey purge.
Just chop and use a whole belly.
Chop her raw. You don't hold your belly.
Just chop and use a whole belly. So see pictures where TY Bello don't take now. She was taking a picture for her studio and the Agege bread seller.
Yeah.
Fine girl, she just dey walk up as her own. So as she dey walk up as, they capture her plus the picture.
Wow.
Now for inside that portrait, she be like proper model. Now she come dey talk say, I beg anybody will see this girl. She dey find am. She won't turn am to proper model because for inside the picture she set die.
That's how her face
arranged. See, she be inside the picture. Very fine girl, and they don't even need to do anything for her. They don't need to edit her looks or anything. She just dey waka pass.
Yeah.
For inside the picture where she take. Now the thing just match am one time.
Now when I go Surulere now, when they just stroll for Surulere, you go. That means you go see many models. They sell beans. They sell rice.
She touch. She don't even find the lady said because she thought, I'm happy to help her build a portfolio if she's interested. She's so beautiful and photographed so well. I'll find a way to track her down somehow. You guys can also help.
So Mona help.
Now so destiny they
so maybe na Silifa for your area be this. Maybe na Modino. Maybe na Sulia. We don't know who the girl be, but I beg anybody where recognize the face, make it go help this girl look because she can't turn to a superstar like this. So you can be the manager of the girl.
Even the cloth where she wear blend with the bread where she carry, blend with the sky, the person where they look. See the picture now.
That's why you never see. That's why prayer they good. See, as you come out for your day.
Make God they bless you.
Make God don't favor you.
You understand?
Make the person who's supposed to see you, make it see you.
Yes.
You understand? And
now,
this girl that
the girl video one play now they chop part of her Agege. Nobody know.
You don't know.
They find you. Auntie Gege, then they find you.
Imagine this girl come blow now. You go fear all the Agege girls' bread. Oh, what they sell? All the Agege girls.
They go they pass the studio.
They pass the studio. Bread Agege! Bread Agege, selfie here, selfie. Bread Agege. You go shock you. Even though when they sell beans, ever going. When they go with Agege bread, that combination, that combination was made in heaven. That combination was made in heaven.
Let me describe that combination. I want to describe that combination. You see, Agege bread.
Let them know.
And going.
Oh,
it's a combination that was made from heaven. I want to tell you that combination is combination for the gods, combination for the ages. It is a 1204 BC combination. It's combination that helps you from the sole of your head to the crown of your feet. And you had to talk. It is a combination that passes from the under sole of your leg, moves towards your legs, to your waist, to your tummy region, move up to your chest, then to your esophagus, and then lands your mitochondria. And give you a feeling. It is a snake in the monkey shadow style combination. Ewa going and bread Agege. My brother. It didn't matter what part of the country you are. Whether you're in the diaspora. If you have not tasted it, you don't know what miracle.
It's not sliced bread. It's not sliced bread.
It's not sliced bread. It's not sliced bread. It's not butter bread.
It's not butter bread.
It's not chocolate bread.
It's not chocolate bread.
It's not raven bread.
It's not raven bread.
It's not cherries bread.
It is bread Agege.
Bread Agege.
Bread
if
Agege.
It is not bread Agege, it can never.
It never.
The bread Agege.
Bread Agege.
Then if you now want to kill it, put it together with some kind of going. The one that have a small onion with some fried pepper.
With the togo
on top of it.
The togo on. That togo on.
Very soft. Open the bread.
Oh no.
Spread it into two.
Oh no.
Carry
that
the
one, that's the burger of it.
Put it inside.
You paste. You pay.
and rub it around.
Or if that one doesn't suit you,
Hey.
you can't be the one that's cutting the bread again.
Cut the bread.
And take it to
and then
smoosh it.
you see the ewa going. You don't eat it anyhow. You
No.
see section by section.
Yes, you smoosh it.
Cut it
Oh, just-
in a session. And then you eat it. When you eat it, now use water and put it down. The feeling.
Cold water.
The feeling.
Oh.
The feeling. Let God now bless you. Be eating it where there is AC. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
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 Oh.
Hey.
Hey.
That's the end.
Bread again.
It's over.
Eh? Oh, Nale.
Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, we don't talk the rest story again.
Yes, we won't laugh the laugh.
One laugh the laugh now. We're not
Because
saying any
because of
story.
this bread Agege and Ewagonye alone,
Oh.
I want to off cloth. So just take it away.
Bread Agege.
Oh, that's really funny. It's been an amazing Monday. Thank you so much for those of you now sit down with us on top PADI Show.
Yo.
Just know that you can talk to us on social media. We do on top Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and even YouTube. Twitter, now at Wazobia PADI. Individually, if you want to relate with us, at Mayowa Lambe
Yes.
and at Funny Ogbolo. And if you talk on our Instagram, our YouTube pass, fantastic, at Wazobia TV NG.
Yes.
Follow us individually at Ogbolo and at Mayowa Ekpo. Ekpo is EKPO. And still on top YouTube, youtube.com/Wazobia PADI. Same thing for Facebook, facebook.com/Wazobia PADI. All of these platforms, we did there for you. Thank you very much. Follow the lantern. Follow the lantern. Follow the lantern.
See you tomorrow. Peace, y'all. If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.